Ibn Abbas narrated, once I was in a state of itikaf in the Prophet's mosque, Medina. A certain person came to me and sat down. I said to him, "Oh, so and so, you look sad." He said, "Yes, of course, O fraternal brother of the Prophet. So and so has his due on me, and by the one who lies in eternal peace in the grave, i.e., Prophet Muhammad, I am not able to pay the debt." I said, "Should I not talk to him about your debt?" He said, "You can do so if you like." Thereupon, I put my shoes on and went out of the mosque. The person asked him, "Have you forgotten the state you were in, i.e., itikaf?" I replied, "Not at all, but I have heard from the one who lies in eternal peace in the grave." Saying this, his eyes became filled with tears and said, "One who moves to fulfill any need of his brother and makes effort for it will find it better than itikaf of 10 years. And one who performs itikaf for 1 day for the pleasure of Allah, He will create a distance of 3 ditches between him and the hell, and each ditch has a width which lies between east and west, or between the heaven and earth." By the blessings of Allah, we are approaching another Ramadan. For most of us, we feel a little taste of hunger during this month only, but there are billions for whom it is a matter of daily life. Let us get immense rewards by helping our needy brothers and sisters around the world during this month of generosity.